Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 9 new retro classic motorcycles of 2025. Number 9. Benelli Imperiale 400. The Benelli Imperiale 400 is a time machine on 2 wheels, reviving the charm of 1950s motorcycles. Its 374cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine produces 21 horsepower, making it a great entry-level bike for casual riders. The bike's lightweight frame and upright riding posture ensure comfort for city rides and short weekend getaways. Its retro design, highlighted by chrome fenders, a teardrop fuel tank, and spoked wheels, appeals to enthusiasts seeking vintage aesthetics at an affordable price. However, the Imperiale has some drawbacks. Vibrations at higher speeds detract from its highway capability, and its braking system lacks the sharpness required for emergency stops. The gearbox, while functional, isn't the smoothest in its class. For 2025, Benelli made minor tweaks to improve paint quality and added a better seat cushion, but the core performance remains unchanged. This could leave longtime fans desiring more significant updates. This bike is perfect for riders who value nostalgic looks and use their motorcycles for leisure rather than intense performance. It isn't the best choice for long-distance touring or aggressive riders who demand more power. If Benelli addressed engine refinement and braking, this model could dominate its segment. Despite its flaws, the Imperiale 400 offers an affordable and stylish gateway to retro motorcycling. Number 8. Honda GB350S. The Honda GB350S offers a refined balance of retro aesthetics and practicality, making it a top choice for riders seeking simplicity and reliability. Its 348cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine generates 21 horsepower and 29 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring smooth performance for city commuting and relaxed weekend rides. The 2025 model comes with improved engine vibration dampening, addressing a key issue in the previous version. The GB350S boasts a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and subtle modern touches that blend seamlessly with its classic round headlamp and chrome-finished accents. The bike's lightweight frame and low seat height of 800 millimeters make it accessible to shorter riders and beginners. Its fuel efficiency is a standout feature, appealing to those who want to keep running costs low. However, its limitations become apparent on highways, where its modest power output struggles at higher speeds. Enthusiasts looking for thrilling acceleration or high-speed touring may find the GB350S underwhelming. Additionally, while Honda has refined the ride quality, the rear suspension could benefit from further adjustments for better handling on rough terrain. This bike is ideal for young riders, city dwellers, or anyone who prioritizes practicality and nostalgic charm over raw performance. It's not the best choice for long-distance adventurers or those seeking cutting-edge technology. With some tweaks to suspension and power delivery, the GB350S could rise even higher in its segment. For now, it remains a dependable and stylish retro commuter that captures the essence of Honda's reliability. Number 7. Kawasaki W230 ABS. The Kawasaki W230 ABS stands out as a versatile entry-level retro bike with off-road capabilities. Its 233cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine delivers 18 horsepower, which is modest but sufficient for beginners and light trail enthusiasts. With a curb weight of just 315 pounds and a seat height of 744 millimeters, the bike is easy to handle and maneuver, even for shorter or less experienced riders. For 2025, Kawasaki introduced ABS as standard, improving safety during sudden braking or on slippery terrain. The suspension has also been fine-tuned to enhance ride comfort on uneven surfaces, making it a capable choice for light adventure rides and urban exploration. Its retro styling, complete with a round headlamp, spoked wheels, and minimalistic design, adds to its charm. Despite its appeal, the W230 has its limitations. Its engine lacks the power needed for highway cruising or spirited riding, and its small fuel tank restricts its range, requiring frequent stops for refueling. Additionally, while it performs well off-road, it's not designed for hardcore trail riding. The W230 ABS is perfect for beginners, casual riders, and those seeking a retro-inspired lightweight bike for city commutes and occasional adventures. However, Experienced riders, or those looking for more power and versatility, may find it lacking. Kawasaki could further elevate this model with a slightly larger engine and extended fuel capacity. But for now, it remains a charming and practical choice for specific use cases. Number 6. Yamaha XSR900. The Yamaha XSR900 merges retro aesthetics with cutting-edge performance, creating a thrilling experience for seasoned riders. Its 890cc inline triple engine produces a powerful 117 horsepower, making it one of the most performance-driven options in the retro segment. The bike features Yamaha's advanced electronics, including ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, ensuring both safety and excitement. For 2025, Yamaha has refined the XSR900's cornering ABS system and enhanced its suspension for better handling in tight corners. The new design features a sharper and more compact tank shape, maintaining its retro essence while improving ergonomics. However, this performance-focused model isn't without its flaws. The aggressive engine and sporty riding position can be intimidating for beginners or riders seeking a relaxed experience. Additionally, its price point may deter those looking for a simple, budget-friendly retro bike. This bike excels in spirited rides and track days, and for enthusiasts who want modern performance wrapped in vintage styling. It's not ideal for those who prefer a laid-back cruiser or want an easy-to-ride city commuter. Yamaha has successfully combined nostalgia with advanced technology, but some purists might argue that it leans more toward modernity than true retro charm. With its blend of power, sophistication, and style, the Yamaha XSR900 is a top pick for adrenaline junkies. If Yamaha focuses on making it more beginner-friendly, it could broaden its appeal even further. Number 5. Triumph Speed Twin 1200 RS. The Triumph Speed Twin 1200 RS is a stunning retro classic motorcycle that balances elegance and performance effortlessly. Powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine delivering 103 horsepower and 112 Newton-meters of torque, it offers exhilarating acceleration while maintaining smoothness. Its ride-by-wire throttle and adjustable riding modes provide excellent control, making it adaptable to different riding styles. For 2025, Triumph has fine-tuned the suspension, ensuring a more comfortable ride even on uneven roads. The addition of Brembo brakes enhances its already impressive stopping power, addressing feedback from earlier models. The design remains timeless, with brushed aluminum accents, a sculpted fuel tank, and twin upswept exhausts that exude sophistication. However, the Speed Twin 1200 RS does have drawbacks. Its firm seat might feel uncomfortable during long rides, and its premium price tag may limit its appeal to budget-conscious riders. Additionally, while it's great for city and spirited rides, it's less suited for long-distance touring due to its riding posture and modest wind protection. This motorcycle is perfect for experienced riders who value both aesthetics and performance. It may not cater well to beginners or those seeking an affordable option, but for enthusiasts who crave a mix of style, heritage, and modern tech, the Speed Twin is hard to beat. With minor refinements, Triumph has maintained its position as a leader in the retro classic segment. Number 4. Royal Enfield Classic 650 Twin. The Royal Enfield Classic 650 Twin is a perfect blend of vintage design and modern performance. Equipped with a 648cc parallel twin engine producing 46 horsepower and 52 Newton-meters of torque, this motorcycle delivers smooth and steady power that's ideal for both city commuting and long highway cruises. The bike's steel frame and classic design, including a round headlamp and chrome accents, give it a truly timeless appeal. For 2025, Royal Enfield has made a significant improvement to the bike's suspension, providing a smoother ride over rough terrain and increasing comfort during long journeys. Additionally, the braking system has been upgraded with dual-channel ABS, improving overall safety. However, the Classic 650 Twin still has room for improvement in terms of overall refinement. Some riders have noted that the engine could be more responsive at higher revs, and the handling can feel heavy at low speeds, especially when maneuvering in tight spaces. This bike is ideal for riders who appreciate retro styling without sacrificing modern-day reliability. It's an excellent choice for touring, daily commuting, and casual cruising. However, it may not be the best fit for riders seeking a lightweight, performance-oriented bike or those looking for cutting-edge features. Royal Enfield has made significant strides in improving quality, but there's still room for the classic 650 Twin to further refine its riding experience. Number 3. Moto Guzzi V7 Stone. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone continues to captivate retro enthusiasts with its timeless design and updated performance. This modern classic is powered by an 853cc transverse V-twin engine, delivering 65 horsepower at 6,800 revolutions per minute and 73 Newton-meters of torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. The unique engine orientation, a signature of Moto Guzzi, provides a distinct character and an unmistakable feel on the road. The 2025 version brings noticeable refinements. Moto Guzzi has enhanced the fuel injection system for smoother throttle response and improved efficiency. A reworked suspension setup ensures better stability and comfort, especially during longer rides. Its 21-liter fuel tank stands out in the retro category, offering an excellent range for touring enthusiasts. Designed with versatility in mind, the V7 Stone is ideal for riders who value a blend of style and functionality. Its 780mm seat height and lightweight chassis make it accessible to shorter riders and easy to maneuver in urban settings. The upright ergonomics and cushioned seat ensure a comfortable ride for hours. However, the bike lacks advanced features like ride modes or traction control, which might deter tech-savvy riders seeking modern convenience. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone excels in delivering an authentic, engaging riding experience that celebrates simplicity. It's perfect for those who prioritize the journey over speed. However, Moto Guzzi could further elevate its appeal by incorporating additional safety and tech features. With its Italian craftsmanship, generous fuel capacity, and unmatched character, the V7 Stone remains a top choice for retro motorcycle enthusiasts in 2025. Number 2. Ducati Scrambler 10 Degrees Anniversario Rizoma Edition. The Ducati Scrambler 10 Degrees Anniversario Rizoma Edition celebrates the brand's 10 years in the Scrambler segment with a unique and stylish twist. Powered by an 803cc L-twin engine producing 73 horsepower and 65.2 Newton-meters of torque, this bike offers thrilling acceleration and smooth handling. The special edition comes with a Rizoma-designed kit, including custom handlebars, mirrors, and a stylish exhaust, which elevate its aesthetic appeal. For 2025, Ducati refined the Scrambler's suspension for better off-road handling and added more modern tech features, including cornering ABS and a ride-by-wire throttle. These upgrades make the bike more adaptable to varying terrains, giving it a versatile edge in the retro Scrambler category. The limited edition Rizoma kit makes this Scrambler even more exclusive, giving it a modern twist without losing its vintage charm. However, it's not without its downsides. The price point is high for a 803cc bike, and the ride can feel a bit harsh on longer journeys due to the firm suspension and aggressive seat. While it handles well off-road, its focus on design and exclusivity might limit its appeal to riders who want a more practical, all-terrain bike. The Ducati Scrambler 10 Degrees Anniversario Rizoma Edition is a perfect fit for passionate riders who seek a unique blend of performance, style, and nostalgia. However, it's better suited for short to medium rides, not long-distance touring. With its exclusivity and iconic design, it's a dream bike for collectors and style-conscious enthusiasts. Number 1. Triumph Bonneville T120 Elvis Presley Limited Edition. The Triumph Bonneville T120 Elvis Presley Limited Edition is an absolute masterpiece, combining iconic British engineering with the legacy of one of the most influential figures in music history. Powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine, producing 79 horsepower and 105 Newton-meters of torque, the T120 offers a perfect blend of smooth power and effortless cruising ability. For 2025, Triumph celebrates the legacy of Elvis Presley with a limited edition model, which features bespoke design touches, including a unique paint scheme, a gold badge, and engraved details. The bike's classic Bonneville silhouette is complemented by modern-day upgrades like ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and updated Brembo brakes for added safety. The ride is smooth, comfortable and responsive, making it an exceptional choice for long-distance touring. Despite its premium status, the T120 Elvis Presley Limited Edition has some flaws. It's a heavy bike, which can be challenging for less experienced riders, especially in tight turns or low-speed maneuvers. Additionally, its price tag is steep, making it a luxury purchase for collectors rather than everyday riders. The T120 Elvis Presley Limited Edition is ideal for riders who appreciate history, luxury, and the finer things in life. It's perfect for long-distance touring and casual rides, but it's not the best option for riders seeking agility, lightweight performance, or budget-conscious choices. For the right rider, this bike offers an emotional connection to both Elvis Presley and Triumph's storied history, making it one of the most desirable retro motorcycles on the market today. Which bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content.